So we are dealing with sentence pattern, right? And now let's see the second type, type 2. The type 2 has three parts: subject plus verb plus object. Are you following me? Type 2, has three parts. First part is subject, and the second part is the verb, and the third part is the object. So we write shortly like S plus V plus O. And as you see here, already we have learned what is a subject and what is a verb. The subject and verb are clear for us. And let's now see the object. Object has two types. So the object is in two forms, two forms. The first form is direct object. The second one is indirect object. Look at the board. The first type of object is direct object and the second one is indirect object. What are direct objects? If you see, here, objects which can be moved from place to place. All the objects which we can take in our hands, we can handle it with our own hands and we can move them from one place to another place. And also all the things we see around us which can be taken in our hands, which can be worked with, all these things are called as direct object. I hope it's clear for you all. So the object is in two forms, two kinds. The first kind is direct object. Direct objects are objects which can be moved from place to place, and all the things, all those objects, all the things that we see around us, that can be taken in our hands or that can be fixed in a place, that can be again taken back to any other place, is called a direct object. And the second type is called indirect objects. Indirect means not directly involving things, but it's indirectly involving human beings. Like the words, like there are only few words like him, them, us and her. Him and her, boy, him, girl, her, them, all together, us, we, all together. So limited words are there for indirect object. So now detail you need not learn. Learn to identify the direct object and indirect object. So the direct object we write like DO. Direct object we can write like DO, direct object. Indirect object we write it as IO. I hope it's clear for you. The direct objects are written as DO and indirect objects are written as IO. Okay, now let's take some examples for subject sentences with the subject, verb, object. Under object we'll have some examples with the direct objects and with the indirect objects. Now you listen to here the first type example. First one is Balu bought a laptop. Now most of you have a laptop with you, laptop. So Balu bought a laptop. This is a sentence, a small short sentence, simple sentence. Balu bought a laptop. Here Balu is a name, noun, otherwise called a subject. So subject, name, noun, all same only. It is Balu. Example is Balu. Bought. Bought is a verb. We buy, we bought, past tense. Balu bought a laptop. The Balu is subject. Buying, an action. We buy. Buying. This boy Balu has already bought. So it's an action is verb. And the third word here, a laptop put together. A laptop putting together is one computer, a laptop. So this is called a direct object. You take this direct object, laptop, on your lap and work out. You can carry it to the next place. You want to shift it to another place, you can carry it. So this becomes a direct object. I hope it's clear for you all. Balu bought a laptop. This sentence has three parts. The first one is Balu, the second is verb, and the next one is O, which is considered here as direct object. And now I have written here another sentence. with the direct object and indirect object. So it comes under subject, verb and object type only, type 2 only. His sister, anyone's sister, any brother who has a sister, his sister gave him a watch. Maybe on a birthday he presented a watch. His sister gave him a watch. His sister gave her brother a watch. Now you see here, his sister is the subject. His sister, two words together. Sister, his sister, considered as sister only. So his sister is the subject and gave, giving, giving is the verb, and him, whom did she give? She gave a watch. What she gave? A watch. But to whom she gave? Him. His sister gave him a watch. Him becomes the indirect object. Him, already we have seen there the words for indirect object, and here him functions as the indirect object. And then a watch is here, a material, a thing is there, that becomes the direct object. So when we separate the sentences into pattern, we have here subject, verb, indirect object and direct object. But when you mention, you can put it together, subject plus verb plus object. And if you need to break and write again, you can write subject plus verb plus IO plus DO. So this is the second pattern. I hope you got it. And further we will learn more examples, and this type 2 will continue within the next class, right?